Today, I'm going to show you the best 3 ways to remove the background from any image online for free and without installing any app. All you need is an internet connection and your mobile or PC. For this tutorial, I've selected 3 images that I want to work with, and we'll use a different website for each one. Let's get started. If you search remove background on Google, the first result is usually the best one. Remove.bg is at the top. Open the website, click Upload Image, and select the photo you want. Within a second, remove.bg does its magic and removes the background perfectly. However, here's the catch. When you try to download the final image, the original resolution, in my case, 1024x1536, is locked behind a paid plan. The free version only lets you download a low-resolution preview, such as 408x612, which cuts the quality in half. So here's my simple trick to fix that. Go to Google and search AI image upscale. You'll find plenty of free online upscalers. I usually go with imgupscaler.com since it shows up at the top. Upload the low-resolution preview image, pick your upscale level, 200% or 400%. I'll choose 400% for maximum quality. Then click Start. Once it finishes processing, download the upscaled image. You'll notice the difference right away. Before, 408x612, about 222 KB. After upscaling, 1632x2448, around 2.67 MB. With this trick, you can bypass the resolution limits of free background removal tools and still get a high-quality result without paying. Now, let's work with the second image. Scroll down Google results and you'll find other free background removal sites like Pixelcut AI and even Adobe's online remover. Let's try Adobe first. Upload the image. Here, I have a man sitting on a couch with a white background. Adobe instantly removes the white background, but surprisingly, it removes the couch too. That makes the person look like he's floating awkwardly in the air. The good part? Adobe lets you download the full resolution output for free. No sign-up required. But since the result isn't what I want, let's move on. Now let's upload the same image to Pixelcut AI. And boom, Pixelcut removes the background while keeping the couch exactly as needed. Even Adobe struggled with that, but Pixelcut nailed it. There's just one small limitation. To download the full resolution result, you must sign in. You get 3 free high-quality downloads per day, which is more than enough for me. Without signing in, you can still download a low-resolution preview. After I downloaded mine, the count went from 3 to 2, so I still have 2 free HQ downloads left today. Now let's move on to the third and final image. This one is a bit more complex. I only want the white background removed, while keeping the rectangular frame with a glowing effect around the avatar. When I tried this image on Pixelcut AI and remove.bg, both removed everything, including the frame, and kept only the person. That's not what I wanted. So for cases like this, the only option is a Photoshop-like tool. But don't worry, you still don't need to install anything. Just go to Photopea.com, which works like Photoshop in your browser. Here's what to do. Click File, open from computer, and select your image. From the toolbar on the left, choose the Magic Wand tool. Click anywhere on the white background. The wand will select only the white area. Go to Edit, clear to remove the selected background. Perfect. The white background is gone, and the frame with the glow effect stays intact. Exactly the result I wanted. Finally, go to File, Export as PNG, and save your image. Finally, with the help of Photopea.com, I achieved this difficult background removal edit so perfectly. As a content creator, blogger, and YouTuber, I often need quick and clean background removals. These are the 3 methods I personally use, all online, all free, and all without installing anything. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more tips, tricks, and AI tool hacks, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.